Welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. As I said before already, welcome, and we're going to be talking about it in today's video, guys, about Online Sales Pro, what it is, how you can look for it. As you can see, people are joining it every single day, okay? But primarily, why are we going to talk about this tool? If you know who I am, then you will definitely know that these videos are going to be packed with golden nuggets and showing you a consistent strategy. I'm not here to join every new shiny object. I'm here to teach you lead generation methods, okay? How to use softwares and integrate and build systems for yourself so that you can leverage your time. In today's world, guys, one stream of income is never enough. Okay, what am I saying? Why am I saying this? If you have one stream of income, you're living paycheck to paycheck. If you have another asset that builds, that puts money into your pocket actually, then guess what? You're going above the means. You've already started to win that others aren't. And I'm sure that you have tried day in and day out or trying to work a system in order for you to get sales and build a business online. Well, this is going to simplify it for you, okay? Seriously, this is going to simplify it for you. I give you a little bit of a backstory of who I am and what, if you're watching on my channel for the first time, firstly hit the subscribe button because there's a little bell notification as well at the side that's going to notify you for any future videos that I do. But Online Sales Pro honestly has been a lifesaver for me. That's my honest testimonial for it. I started coming online around 7 years ago already, okay? And I wasted 3 years of that, and 2 years of that, and the next 4 years were literally struggling to get things together. But then I stopped and thought of how much I had learned and the mistakes that I made. And there's no fast way to do it. I want to show you guys my website, okay? I want to go to my website at the moment and just show you something because it's a powerful message that I want to reach out to you in this video. I ask you whether you're lost. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. So do you see, if you really want to see yourself financially free, if you really want to see yourself actually taking steps forward in your life, then it's worth the wait, and it's worth the effort, and it's worth the consistency, okay? There are no shortcuts. There are ways to work smart, but there are no shortcuts. You still need to understand the process behind it. You still need to put in the work and effort, and you still need to be yourself, okay? For me, branding is very important, and this is why I brand myself on my pages. I don't just make generic ones and talk about it randomly. You go to my website, this is me, you see me there, okay? And it's a proven strategy that I use within this. That's free, honest coaching. You're gonna get from me to wherever you want to be. If you don't want to even have the right, if you want to do things in your own business and not in the same things that I have, you can still enter your email address, clicking on the link in the description of this video, and I will talk you through, we'll set up an appointment, and I'll talk you through how you use this software like Online Sales Pro itself in order for you to build your business, okay? So let's get into it. I want to literally show you the pricing for a second because people are asking me, why is it really expensive or not? Look at this, okay? And now, and I'm going to go and show you something else. Let's go to US TV Netflix, literally, okay? Netflix. Oops, I can't access the page. Netflix.com. I want to show you something, guys. I want to show you something, okay? Join for 3 month trial, whatever. Pick your price. Let's go to pick your price. So this is showing me in the country that I am, which is in crowns. I wanted to show in US dollars, but it's not going to show me in US dollars. So let's skip the CZ part of it, so the Czech Republic part of it, and let's just go to any other software where you need to purchase. Basically, let's just go to ClickFunnels. Okay, or even ClickFunnels is good, but let's go. I wanted just software. Let's say TV, internet prices in US. So you're spending for your internet around 50 to 60 to, you can see how much of per month. This is crazy. Okay, these are plans for fiber. So I have 100 Mbps. Okay, this is what I have. You will spend around $30 for this. Okay, that's quite a high fee, but I want you to see this is how much it is annually. So if you spend $25 a month, you get this whole software, which is the same amount that you're going to spend for internet. I want you to think about pricing wise, this is great, but also this software and tool gives you an opportunity to have $150 commissions. And if you buy it annually, you save $147. Okay. If this is the case with $37 per month, you are spending, but you get $20 in commissions in case you decide to actually go ahead and sell the software, which I do. Okay. I'm not going to go through all the other details on the website, but I want to log in for you for a second and I want to show you how I build my business personally. Okay. So let's log in. And let's show you. So first and foremost, I want you to see something here that's showing you the leads that I have got, okay? And now I have got a lot of leads within the system itself, but people are using this every single week to get around 6,000, 5,000. As you can see, it's quite a high amount of leads that these people are getting every single day to this website, okay? Now I build pages, okay? Online Sales Pro helps me to build pages that are practically a website that I create for myself. As you can see, these are the things that I do. Okay, I build for my team, so I teach. Okay, I teach them as well, and I build pages and I build systems with Online Sales Pro. So it's the backbone of my business, but more than that, it has phenomenal resources in terms of training, in terms of marketing training. For example, let me just click on marketing training. You can see right here. Okay, these are products and everything already in the system itself. If you become an affiliate, added to which you can get extra marketing, which is list building secrets. Again, these are all things that are in the system itself. So you're getting the marketing training, you're being taught how to use a software, which is an app at the end of the day, and you spend $25 per month or $37 per month, depending on whatever you want to do. If you want to go for the annual package, which I suggest anybody to use it, because you spend once around $300 basically, and that's it. Okay, so it's well worth it, firstly. Now I'm going to show you the strategy. So I have this simple strategy that I follow. Okay, you have a product or service, you have a system, okay, and you have eyeballs, which I call, as you know, is traffic. Okay, this is what a basic formula is that I follow. Now what I have two products, main products, and one exceptional product that I have. So totally the products that I sell in my systems are 3. Okay, the 3 products. This is one thing. Now, whenever I make any money in these products, I take out a percentage of that. Okay, I take out a certain amount of funds. Basically, I take out, for example, if I make $100, I take out around $30. So 30%. That's what I try to do. Okay, 30% of the products. Take that out and I put it into traffic, so that new people are always seeing my business. That traffic, when I buy, okay, paid traffic, and let me get you straight, it takes consistency with paid traffic, guys. Every single week I purchase paid traffic, okay? All the videos, all the promoting that I do are all extra, but I focus on paid traffic. I take the traffic, I send it to my system. The system promotes 1, 2, 3 products. When I make a sale, ka-ching, 30% comes out, ching, and it goes to traffic. And this goes on and on and on. Now, the system that I built here, okay, has two main reasons. The existing customers, it builds relationships. So BR, okay, builds relationships, and it gives me two other streams of income. So now I get more money here, and this money goes into my pocket. So it's the backbone of my whole system. It's the backbone of my whole business. Online Sales Pro is here. Online Sales Pro is the system that I use. Okay, let's go and look at that again. I want you to focus a bit on this because I want you to see how valuable this kind of a business model is. And all I do is week in and week out, guys, I purchase more traffic and I get more people to view it because my system itself is building the current relationship that the people are interested in. So I'm not leaving out the people who are interested in. It's not like I'm just trying to throw mud at a wall or paint at a wall and see whether it sticks. No, I'm throwing paint at the wall, making sure that some stick, and then I'm spreading that out more. And at the same time, I'm taking in new paint to put another layer. So you understand how it grows and builds in quantity. So you would need at least 6 to 9 months, in my opinion, to actually build your business consistently and treat it as a business. But the software that you would need, in my opinion, that's cost less than internet that you purchase every single week, every single month, is Online Sales Pro. So I'm hats off. It is my product that I enjoy talking about, but it's given me more than you can ever imagine. If you're looking out for an honest way of doing things and an ethical way of doing things and actually building a secondary income for yourself, then I really highly suggest you to click the link in the description of this video. It's called the Pro System, and it'll teach you exactly that. Until the next video, guys, leave your questions and comments below, and I hope that you continue to pave the way for your dreams to come true. Have a great day.